This large development is a 22-storey apartment building with communal areas. They have special pods. These entertainment pods overlook the main straight of the Flemington racecourse.
The difference between this project and from any other project that we've probably worked on is the amount of timber that we've used outside.
We supplied basswood timber, the quantities that will be required for the whole job. As usual, basswood timber were very helpful. They ran everything that needed to be run in entirety, and then we called up the material as needed on site.
Originally, the project was specified in tallow wood, which was extremely hard to procure. So, with consultation with Bowens, we decided to use blackbutt.
It's so solid and so durable. You can guarantee that you can come back here in 10-15 years' time and it'll still look exactly the same as the day that we put it down.
The timber is first cut from the forest, and then it goes into our sawmill, and then it will get sawn, come down to basswood timber. Then we would profile it from the sawn product into the profile that was required for the job. We
started off with about 70 or 80 cubic metres of rough sawn material, and that has turned out to be about 50 cubic metres of finished product.
The decking was quite unique because it was a larger deck than normal. The tree has to be very big to be able to produce a clean board that size.
Basswood timber are a very good example of a helpful and switched on supplier. Suppliers like them always manage to supply us with the goods when they're needed. Our customers then can rely on us to get it to their job when required.
They have to have the right people behind them who they use, which makes our job a lot easier.
Adding to the complexity of this job, this material was needed to be lifted to the 19th and 3rd floor of this apartment block. We had to liaise with the builder to get the material to site so that the crane was there waiting when the material was needed to be lifted to these floors.
Phil and I communicate basically on a daily basis. Communication is the most important thing on a project like this because of cranes and people on site. You can't get it wrong once it's out here.
Working very close with Bowens on knowing our delivery times and the tight schedule that we're under with the project, having the timber turning up on time when the crane's here, it's the #1 service. You couldn't ask for better.
We've had a very, very long-standing relationship with Bowens, over 20 years. The people that are employed at Bowens are very knowledgeable. They relay the requirements of their customer to us in a very easily manageable way, and therefore we can achieve a great outcome for both our customers.
This project is a good example to show our builders that we can deliver materials that are outside the box, and we have the suppliers to help us make it happen.